guys, welcome to another episode of Book Marketing Series with Richard Okere Jr. and that will be more. Okay, so today I want to talk about how you can build a book marketing team, a book launch team. Okay, so I've mentioned this earlier in my previous videos about the book launch team, and I thought I should make a video on how you can go about building that team. Okay, so in this video I'll be teaching you a lot of things about that. If you find this valuable, do not forget to subscribe, hit that subscribe button below so that you can get more alerts or notifications anytime I release a new video. Let's get right to it. So how do you build a book marketing team? Number one is to speak to a lot of people. Now, when I say a lot of people, I don't mean just anybody, but I mean a lot of people who have influence, a lot of people in your friend circle, in your community, who you know that these people have a level of influence and people value what they say. Okay, so especially online, okay, so look out for people who have influence and talk to more people like that. So it could be posting it on your social media platform and leaving the link there for people to join the book launch platform, the team platform, or it could be calling people on the phone. I've had clients that what we do is basically make a list of people and call them on the phone and ask them, will you be interested in this? But you do that for people who you know that maybe they will not just see it on social media and join the team, that kind of a thing. Okay, so but call people on the phone, let it be that they are interested in that and let them join. Okay, but you have to make it like, hey guys, if you say no, it's fine. If you say no, it's fine. If you say yes, awesome. Don't feel like you have to, please me or anything, but you want people, because you want people who will be committed to the project. All right. So number one, talk to a lot of people who have influence and who will be interested in actually doing the work for you. Number two is to create a platform. You need a platform, a base where people will converge, your team will converge, where information will be shared, where they get to know each other and all those things. So usually I use a WhatsApp group because WhatsApp groups are faster. A lot of people are on WhatsApp. You can use a Facebook group. I sometimes, when I work with clients, we use a combination of a WhatsApp group and email. Okay, so that there are people who are email driven. They may not check WhatsApp messages, but they will check their email. So I use those two to share information. So that could come in handy for you. So you could do a WhatsApp group or Facebook group, but always include email. All right, so have two channels that you come. Sometimes I even add, well, I use SMS. Well, SMS is not a platform, but it's a communication channel also that you can use to get to your team. Number three in building a book launch team for yourself is offer incentives. There are people who will come to your group and they're just coming for the sake of you. They want to help you, and that's fine. But to drive it more, to give them more encouragement and more drive to join your team, what you can do is to offer incentives. So incentives like you're giving them a discount to buy the book, or you're giving them access to you in some level. You are offering to come and speak on their platforms for free. Build up a bundle of things that you can offer those people and let them know that, hey, look guys, this is what you get for joining my launch team. I don't want to take it for granted. I want to be intentional also in serving you. So this is what you're going to get. Okay, so offer them incentives that will help them. You can offer them bonuses or a course of yours that maybe it's paid, but then you get it free of charge. You can even do something like where you do something like the most active person in this team maybe gets this, something huge, that kind of thing. Basically to encourage people to, promote your book and really do it for you. Number four about building a book launch team is to provide instructions. So when people have joined your platform, one of the things that you want to do immediately is to provide them step by step on what to do. So typically you can have something like, when I say typically because people will work with, so you can have something like a guideline in one post. Don't post it differently, okay? Have everything in one post, that you post it once so that when they read it once. So it tells them what the book is about, what they are here to do, what they stand to gain, the things that you expect from them. You expect from them maybe in terms of tools, maybe in terms of their pictures, maybe in terms of reviews and all those things. So you provide them all those details so that once somebody joins your platform, they will not get lost. They will not be like, okay, what are we doing? That kind of thing. And you should provide that instruction at least within 48 hours of people joining that group. Let it not pass 48 hours, between 48 hours, so that the momentum doesn't die down. Okay, very important to provide instructions immediately. So number 5 is, before I say that, I am giving you a free checklist. That checklist is a checklist that shows you the specific things that you need to do in order for you to launch your book successfully. If you want to get that checklist and not be confused about what to do, when to do, how to do it, get that checklist. It's free of charge. The link is scrolling on your screen, prolaunchsynergy.com/checklist. It's free of charge. Download it and it's going to help you. So number 5 is provide materials. If people are in your launch team and you want them to do it effectively, you need to provide them the things that they will need. Things like designs, videos, blurbs, all those things that they will need in order to, so that they don't have to be doing all that work. There's a place for asking people to write what, maybe in terms of posting on social media, you want them to write what is in your heart about this book. Maybe you have given it to them to read, and write what you feel about it. Just pour out your heart. But there's a place also for you to provide the content. So I like to cover all grounds. Provide the content that they need. Things like posts that they can copy and paste, especially because you want people to communicate your message right. You don't want people to go and communicate what is not useful or what is outside what you want to communicate to your audience, the people that you want to buy the book. So provide all the materials that they need, quote designs, videos, everything, so that basically what they have to do is just copy and paste on social media and everything is working fine for you. Hope this has been helpful for you. Click that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, share this video. If you have any person that you want this to be a blessing to, share this video to that person, and of course you will be doing that person a good privilege. Okay, thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye.